In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create an animated statistic counter in Wix Studio. We will wind our way through the simple process, starting from installing the specific app we need to customizing the counter to match your website design perfectly. So, let's begin. Our first move is to go the Wix Studio editor, which you likely have open right now. Look for the Apps menu, and once you find it, click on it. Within this menu, your mission is to hunt for an app called Numbers and Stats Counter. As soon as you find this app, click on Add to Site. Following this, you will see an option on your screen that reads Agrees. Clicking on this will successfully install the app in your Wix editor, setting us up perfectly for the next step in our tutorial. With the app now installed, your editor will have an added feature, a new widget on your page that represents the newly installed counter app. Now, where do you want this counter to be on your page? The wonderful bit about Wix Studio is its drag and drop functionality. This means you can simply drag the counter widget to the desired location on your page. Now let's transit to the more exciting part. It's time to make this counter look and feel like a part of your website. It's time to customize the counter. First, click on the counter. You will see its settings open up. Here, the vast world of customization options will be disclosed to you. First, we will visit the Layouts tab. Once you click on it, you will be introduced to numerous layout styles. Feel free to choose one that befits the design you have in mind. Still within the settings, we then proceed to the Design button. By exploring this tab, you get to modify the font, change the colors, or even alter the backgrounds to match your website's aesthetics. We then arrive at the Animations tab, the final station of our counter customization journey. Here, you are allowed not only to select an animation, but also to tune its speed and style to your liking. Lastly, and before I let you play around with your new animated counter, remember to set your starting and ending numbers. Also, add any prefixes or suffixes if you'd like. So here you have it, how to create an animated statistics counter in Wix Studio. It's now your turn to get creative and make it uniquely yours. Happy customizing!